No, she's putting in her milk. She's putting in her
Cream on her eyelashes.
Oh, Gabrielle. Are you cleaning up?
See, she might just grab it. Whoops. I'll get her down on the floor and he wipes her too.
Apparently you haven't told her how to wash your face yet.
Clean it up. Clean that all up. Somebody needs
She
a
should go
bath.
to the cleaner center. She should.
She should be a maid.
Yeah.
My daughter's gonna be a maid one day. Very messy one. Gabby, hi. Look at mommy. Oh, he's putting it on me now.
Yeah, it's getting all.
Gabby, money. Say money.
Money.
Gabby, money.
Say money.
Gabrielle,
Say
money.
If you didn't want to work, wow.
Hey, watch this. I was like,
Money.
say money.
Money.
I'm like this. So I'm like this. Say money. Money. Say money.
Boston was, Boston didn't suffer anything. Wasn't it Marlowe? Not Marlowe.
What are you doing, Gabby?
Oops.